Welcome. Today in this video I'll be showing you 3 important settings you need to turn on to save your eyes for your old age. First, let's go to settings, scroll down to display, turn on eye comfort shield. And the second one still, let's go to the settings, scroll to display, and let's change our screen resolution to this. And the third one, let's go to the settings, scroll down to display, and turn on the dark mode for your phone. Now these 3 settings not only save your eyes for your old age, but also do help a lot when it comes to battery saving. Turn the 3 settings on and save your battery life as well. Thanks for watching. Click the like button for this video and please subscribe for more important video uploads. Until next time, see you.